Hey guys, if you want to convert your long video into multiple short video, whether you do it for Reel, for short or TikTok, you can use the free tool. The tool it's called VideoProc Converter, and we can start it free. Okay, so the tool is here. So let me just drag this video here. We no need to upgrade. Okay, after you open VideoProc Converter, just click Video Converter and go to Toolbar, looking for the word Split here. Okay, just click Split option and drag your long video right here. Okay, here the magic happen, and here there's folder, the output here. You can change the folder, but usually after we to convert it will output automatically. Here the thing, click option right here, the trick here.
បាទសរសេរទាំងអស់គ្នានេះជាអីគេដែរ
So it will start playing, so just stop it. Okay, so how many video you want to convert right here? See, you see, if you put 10, so each video I got only 27 seconds. So if I use 5, I can get each video 1 minute here right here. It depends on how many you want to split, or every second you want to split. It depends on you. Okay, it depends on you, or how many video. Okay, so after you decided for your Reel, for your TikTok, for short, okay, just click done and press run. And just 1 second. Here we allow only 5 minutes for each video, but we do for short it totally okay. It start converting, so it use my NVIDIA and GPU. And if you have a long video, just want to shut down after it conversion. You can take it or not. Okay, I will speed up the video. Okay, almost finished. Almost finished. Come on. Okay, after finish, it open up the folder that already convert right here. So each one with number 1, 2, 3. So
បាទសរសេរទាំងអស់គ្នានេះជាអីគេដែរ
that we can accept that the quality is still good. So you can split it as much as you want it for free, whether for short or TikTok or whatever. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.